It's important to know what people are saying about your business, and with Reputation Manager, you can easily track your online image from one place. To start using this tool, click Get Started. Click to connect your social accounts, and select Done. Reputation Manager will display people's comments about you from the top social and review platforms, like Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yelp, and more. Filter your feed by post type, emotion, time frame, or platform. Each comment has an emoticon next to it that rates the post as unhappy, neutral, or happy. Click to change the emoticon if you notice any discrepancies. Just click Respond to write a message back. To share a positive review, click Share, and then select the platform you'd like to share it to. This tool collects all your ratings and gives you an overall score with the happiness meter, which tells you how well you're doing online with a single look. To add or remove a social account, just click the gear icon to manage your connected platforms.